Gang, what's going on, man? I know it been a minute, bro. I done had to come to y'all with a nighttime video, bro, cause it been kind of rough during the day. But man, they got me, bro.
Yeah, man. I wanna send this out to the truckers all around the world, man. Dry band, still stick, flatbed, tangle, low bar, whatever you drive, man.
Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. I'ma start this out with saying Joe Biden done fucked up everything. Goddamn fuel cost more than the load, man. Broker making more money than the truck, and we the one that's on the road, man. In the corners, they taking all the cheap freight. Get somebody else. It done got me again, bro. Man, it's been rough. Then look, so I'm gonna tell y'all where I've been first before we get in the video. Where they got me and how they got me. I'm gonna tell y'all where I've been. Bro, for real, I really had some stuff going on, brother. Well, I had kinda, I don't know, like I couldn't get right for one in the workspace, as far as the workspace. But I also, not only that, you know, it's other stuff that played a part as well. Like stuff at home, like I had people, you know, passing, like every week, man, somebody passing that I know, man, you know. So like I had funerals. Also, I was in one of my homeboys' wedding, you know, so I wasn't really at work for that. I was at home or whatever for that. Then I also, you know, I got some puppies. I got some puppies on the ground. Y'all know I'm into that too. So I got puppies on the ground, little bullies. I got some Got 90 bullets on the ground. So boom, I got that. I had a funeral. Then I end up, man, I had an ingrown toenail, bro. I had an ingrown toenail. I had to go get that cut out. You know what I'm saying? You know, that right there kind of had me, you know, at the house, really wasn't working. It kind of threw me off as well. So I kind of been off track, man, a lot, man. And you know, I end up, you know, changing my dispatch again and all that, man. You know, so like, man, I just, man, boy, I've been having some stuff going on, man, but we finna get back in that mode, man. But tonight, what I'm coming to y'all with, well, today, because y'all gonna see this during the day, you know what I'm saying? But I'm dropping this at night because I've been so busy. I ain't really been able to get around to dropping nothing, man. So, alright, here it is, man. Y'all check this out, man. Man, check this out. I'm rolling through the A, right? I'm just chilling. I'm just scrolling. Then, boom, this right here happened. So I'm thinking Cuz just chilling, he just sitting right there trying to kill somebody's speed or whatever. And next thing you know, he popped my ass. Here we go. Got my ass, man.
All right, man. License. What I didn't put the violation on there about the lights, okay? Just get that taken care of, okay? Only thing you got on here is the inner perimeter. So you're supposed to set 285. You didn't do that, okay? They gave you a warning for that, and they marked your ticket. Alright, so this is level 3 inspection right here, okay? All the thing you got is that being inside the perimeter, and that's it, alright?
What? Just give me a ticket for being inside the perimeter.
The decision already made, bro.
So that ain't that.
You can't say nah, man. Go back and write me a ticket.
So it is not a choice to say. Just give me a ticket.
Nah, there ain't no choice. That's up to us.
What type of shit?
You can't make me write you a ticket. You see what I'm saying?
But you tell him I'm gonna give you a warning for this.
Right.
But I'm like, you just give me a ticket.
Right.
Like I'd rather just get the ticket.
This is what it is, all right? Decision already made, it's already printed. If you want to sign, you can sign. If not, you ain't got to. That's up to you, okay?
I'd rather for you to just give me the ticket, bro. Like,
where we at? All right.
I feel like
I get what you're saying, but what I'm saying,
I feel like a warning that's hurting me more than anything.
Right.
I'd rather for you to just give me the ticket.
Right.
You know, if you gonna give me anything, just give me the ticket.
But that's where we at, man. So, like I said, I'm gonna ask you to sign right here. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you ain't got to.
Then you don't want to put the hat on me and everything.
Hey, man, I
You
realize
ain't had that motherfucker on a while ago.
I didn't have it on earlier. That's my bad. So you gonna sign? You
Please give me a ticket.
I can't do it, bro. It's already done.
How you can't do
It's already
it?
done.
Please give me a ticket, bro.
We do what we get. All right. So I'm gonna ask you again. If you gonna sign the inspection or not?
I want you to give me a ticket, bro.
We passed that point. So you want to sign the inspection?
If
Nothing ain't gonna change, man. I'm sorry. Nothing ain't gonna change.
no, I'm saying, okay, the inspection. Damn, bro. I'd rather just get the ticket, bro.
Yeah. But see right here, you see what they're telling you to get off because you're gonna get on 166 and go back to 25.
But yeah,
go to 20.
that's locked in. That's locked in the go.
Right.
That's locked in to go to my route.
Right.
I wasn't going there. I was gonna stay the night up there.
Okay, I got you. So where you going now?
I was finna go by my homeboy house.
Boy, he had me faded out, lying like a motherfucker right here.
What's that? What is that?
That's up here.
You don't even know where you going. You don't even know the name of it.
Man, I don't come over here all the time. It is.
I feel, hey, man, you good, bro? Look, here you go. That's your copy of the inspection, okay? All right, but that's where we at, brother. All right, man. Be safe, all right?
Bro, man. Good, just left me now. He just left me. He done went and pulled another motherfucker over soon he left me. He ain't bullshit, y'all. Y'all stay true, but he not bullshit. He just left me and just pulled anybody coming through Atlanta tonight. Y'all ain't through. So boom. Y'all see what happened, you know what I'm saying? I was going through, I was going straight through Atlanta, bro. I was finna go straight through Atlanta. Mind you, for anybody get to talking about, oh man, you know not to go through there unless you gotta listen. Yeah, I do know. But I have been doing it, man, since I've been driving, bro, just going straight through, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying I do it every time because I might not have to go straight through my route that I might be going. I may have to take the bypass to go where I'm going. So, you know what I'm saying? There have been times I didn't go straight through, but just over the years, you know, I have went straight through, no problem. You know what I'm saying? It's been over 5 years, you know, since I've been driving. So, you know, like I said, you know, every dog has their day, man. You know what I'm saying? That was just my day. They got me, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I knew I had no delivery over there or whatever, and I usually, you know, I know to take the bypass or whatever, but just so happened I was like, shit, I could get them. I could slide through here. You know, everything be good. You know what I'm saying? But it just be like, it's just like this, bro. I look at it. Like, you could be in the game for a long time. You could be a hustler. You could be hustling. You could be a bootlegger. You could be somebody that's selling clothes. They can get you with the copyright, whatever it is, man. Like, you could be doing all this stuff for so long, man. Then it just be that day, boom, they pop you. Like, you could be rolling. You could have been rolling like for the longest. Like, you could have been rolling 10 years straight. Boom, it just be that one time they pop you. You know what I'm saying? You done sold something to somebody, or you done served somebody that's an informant, that end up getting bammed up. Now they done snitched on, you know, boom, it just happened like that. So, you know, you out here trucking, bro. just be mindful, man, what we doing, man. Like, especially like going through Atlanta if you ain't got no delivery in Atlanta. Make sure you taking that bypass, bro. So just learn from my mistake. So I'm putting this out there for y'all to learn from my mistake. Like, you know, you just take it from me, man. Don't do it, man. They gonna pop you, bro. I'm telling you. And you see, he went right around me, and he went and pulled another truck over, bro, and got him. Like he was hot on our trail, bro. So I'm telling you, like, if you out here, man, just don't do that, bro. Don't go through. And then Georgia, man, GPD, man, GSP. I'm gonna say GSP because it's really GSP. GSP is not playing, bro. They got another one of my partners over here, man. They got him, you know, where he went through, he went through a weight scale or whatever. He was, you know, a little overweight or whatever. I think he had an oversized load, a little overweight or whatever. They got him, you know, he said, man, you know, he gonna give him a little ticket for overweight, which I don't know, that ain't really no bad, you know, little thing right there, a little overweight. That ain't really too bad. So boom, dude had him pulled over, whatever. So he said when okay, after that, dude gave him a ticket. He said another officer came out and said, look, since you already here, I'm finna just go and do a level 1 on you. Go on and pull in the bay. Boy, that shit is rough, boy. But listen, I also say this. I think it's May 12, May 13, man. We supposed to have this major blitz on all truckers. So they supposed to be getting 70,000 truckers, man. Inspections or whatever. So, man, y'all just be careful, man. Be prepared, man. I'm trying to get prepared. I'm making sure I ain't got nothing wrong with my truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be up on that. So y'all get on that. And just know this too. They say, well, it's gonna be May 13 or May 12. It's not gonna be them dates, bro. It's gonna be another date. It's gonna be around that time, but it might be before, it might be after when they start hitting. So, you know, and they do it like this because, you know, they'd be like, well, drivers might want to go shit out. I say, well, I ain't gonna drive on the 13th through the 15th. I'm gonna just shit out. Nah, I don't think you gonna know when they doing it, bro. So y'all just be careful, man, especially going through Georgia, man. Cause GSP is not playing, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Like, they not playing at all, bro. Like, they popping us. They popping us, bro. And I ain't just talking about black drivers. I'm talking about they everybody. They on truck driver ass. They on truck driver ass, bro. And like, y'all just be careful, man, out here, man, when y'all rolling, man. But yeah, man, I just been chilling. Like, I been having a lot going on. Like I said, I done had, you know, the puppies, you know what I'm saying, whoop, and 10 of them. I done had a funeral, you know what I'm saying. I done had a wedding, you know. I done had to get an ingrown toenail removed, and I had some stuff going on with my dispatcher. It was just a whole bunch of, man, boy, I don't know. I guess I took a break, bro. Everybody need a little break, little vacation, you know what I'm saying. So I took my little vacation. We finna get these videos back popping and dropping, man. So, and then too, man, just to support the channel, bro, just like the video, bro. Like the video. And then also, if somebody, you know, been going through Atlanta, or somebody need to know the information about GSP, or just about this blitz that's coming, share the video with another trucker, man. You know what I'm saying? That'll help the channel out a lot, you know. I don't be asking for nothing, really. Just like the video, you know what I'm saying? Just give me a like or something, you know what I'm saying? But we out, gang. We finna go back here in the back of the bunk. Guess I'm gonna cut the PS5 on for a little minute. Play me some GTA. And get ready to go get my load in the morning, man. Let's go.
Stop all that shit, I ain't no cheapskate. Damn maintenance so high, I can't even afford breaks. I wanna take a vacation, but I can't even afford a break. Need to get some cows and start farming, I wanna eat steak. Cause I damn sure ain't making it out here on the interstate. They keep telling me it's gonna get better, but I'm like, when? Need to vote Donald Trump 2024, make America great again. Hell, that's about the only way we gon' win. Really, I done lost hope. But I got this dog inside me that just keep telling me to go. But I damn sure ain't finna be working for free, I'm just letting you know. They told me to keep between the mayonnaise and mustard. That means keep it in the road. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking.